Question 1.4. A person who earns 18,000 Rand per month has to decide whether to spend 9,000 Rand as a monthly repayment of a motor vehicle or not. If the above information is a true representation of the population data, which of the following would the person most likely decide on? So, firstly, if this person's income is 18,000, and so that basically means that the income lies somewhere in between 17 and 20,000. And one thing to note here is that if this representation of data is true, that however much a person, whatever their income is, in other words, their monthly repayment is never half of what they earn. So each time, if we look at this second row here, that gives you a good idea that it is never half like how it is in this scenario. So judging from that, just that this data, what it says, it's a clear indication that okay, it's more than likely not going to be spending that 9,000 as a monthly repayment. But let's have a look at our answers. So we have A, spend, B, not to spend, C, spend. So let's just go through the not spends first and see what our corresponding answers are. So we already agreed that if this is true representation, it cannot be A, it cannot be C. B says not to spend 9,000 Rand per month because there is a very weak positive correlation between the amount earned and the monthly installment. Okay, the correlation didn't look very weak because it was around 0.95. So that's like 95%. So that's generally a very strong correlation since it's very close to 1. D on the other hand says, okay, not to spend 9,000 Rand per month because the point 18,000, 9,000 Rand lies very far from the least squares regression. So from the process of elimination, our answer there is D. And this instance, why it's not B, because it had a strong positive correlation.